Hello everyone, welcome to English Steps. I am Usama Walid. In this lesson, I am going to talk about the nouns. What is a noun? The noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, or an idea, such as Usama, courage, Paris, house, or an apple. Nouns are classified into two main categories. The first one is concrete nouns, and the second is abstract nouns. We can also divide the concrete nouns into proper nouns, common nouns, and collective nouns. We're going to study each one of them separately. So let's talk about concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are nouns that name someone or something which can be seen, smelled, tasted, or touched. In other words, they name objects that exist in the physical world. And they are divided into three groups: proper nouns, common nouns, and collective nouns. What do we mean by proper nouns? Proper nouns are the nouns that name specific persons, places, or things. But there is a rule for this kind of noun, which says that this type of noun is usually capitalized, which means you must begin with a capital letter when you write your name, the city you are from or the country you are from, also the days of the week, the months of the year, and even the languages are always written with a capital letter at the beginning. Don't forget that. Now let's talk about common nouns. What are common nouns? Common nouns are the nouns that name general things, and they are not usually capitalized. For example, computer, table, boat, house, orange. Actually, everything you see around you is a common noun. For example, your bed, your car, the window, the door, all these words are common nouns. Remember, what do we call the nouns that talk about specific people, or the languages, the names of countries, the days of the week, the months of the year, or the names of cities? What are they called? That is right, we call them proper nouns. So proper nouns are different from common nouns. Excellent. Now let's talk about collective nouns. Collective nouns are the nouns that take singular forms but are composed of more than one individual person or item. I mean, when you use them, that means you are referring to a group of things or a group of people. For example, jury. Jury is a group of 12 people in a court who listen to the facts about a crime and decide whether the accused person is guilty or not guilty. Another example, committee. Committee is a group of people who have been chosen to discuss something or decide on something. Another example, team. Team is a group of people who play a sport or game together against another group. There are some general rules about these nouns. We use singular verbs with collective nouns when we think of the noun as a single unit. For example, family is used with a singular verb when we are talking about it as a unit. For example, I say, my family is going on holiday. My family is, not are. Why? Because here in this example, I'm using the word family as a unit. I'm thinking of it as a unit. I mean, as a family, one of the families here in this community. We use plural verbs with collective nouns when we think of the group as individuals. So, a plural verb is used when we are thinking about the members of a family as individuals. For example, I say, the family are doing different jobs around the house today. In this sentence, I'm thinking of the members of the family. Each one is doing something different. This is everything about concrete nouns. But what about abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are the nouns that name intangible things like ideas, qualities, or states of mind, which means they cannot be seen nor touched. For example, you can see your friend, but friendship is something cannot be seen. That means friendship is an abstract noun, but friend is a concrete noun. Let's take a look at some more examples about abstract nouns. Some of them are about feelings. For example, anxiety, fear, pleasure. Some abstract nouns are about states. For example, freedom, misery, luxury. Other nouns are about emotions. For example, anger, joy, grief. The last group, nouns that are about qualities. For example, courage, generosity, and honesty. I'm going to give you now some tips about nouns. In English, nouns can be identified by their suffixes. I mean the last part of the word. For example, falsehood, kingdom, advancement, insurance, swimmer, instructor. To know more about suffixes, please click on the link below in the description. That is everything for today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.